Ito namang watch guys is para siyang pang-formal. Pang-formal, pang-opisina, pang-araw-araw. Pang-formal siya guys na watch na two-tone finish. HR will show you guys the detail. Two-tone finish. Michael Kors, two-tone finish. That's for men's. Pang-lalaki na watch. Kung gusto nyo designer na ano maganda, matibay. May plastic to guys. It's okay. Show the four sides. Yan. HR will show you guys for yung details. Silver tone and gold tone finish in stainless steel. Stainless steel yan guys, kaya mahal siya ng konti. Stainless steel, original Michael Kors. Yan. Show the laknoy. Let me hold you the back. Here. And then, here. Show the back. May plastic yan guys. Hindi ko na lang tinanggal yung plastic kasi bago yan. Kaya para hindi siya magasgasan. Okay? Alright. Two-tone finish. You show the lock na your test like that. Yan. The lock. There you go. Right there. Makintab, makinis. Hindi pa yan nahawakan ng iba, kami lang. At hindi ko na tinanggal yung plastic para kayo na lang magtanggal kasi ano yan, super bago. Stay back a little bit. This is original Michael Kors two-tone finish. Tinanggal ni Char guys yung plastic, yung ano. Yung plastic ko kasi meron siyang ano guys. Film. Yan. Uy. May film or plastic, tinanggal ni Char. You can put it back. Super sale for only
14,500.
14,500. Men's watch, silver tone, gold tone finish, pero stainless steel. Stainless steel and
Maraming salamat po.
yan. Very good, yeah.